Hello, we are at 999 Bush, apartment 401. This is a large, light and bright two-bedroom apartment. So here we are coming in the front door of the unit. You'll see there's a nice, spacious, round entry foyer. We've got a closet here off to the right. Nice big closet, goes back a ways on each side. Okay, and then on the other side of the foyer, another closet, like a coat closet size closet. Okay, we have a nice updated bathroom here, beige tile floor, white subway style tile surround, shower over tub. Okay, there is the bathroom vanity, mirrored medicine chest. Okay, window, shelf, towel bar, all of the important stuff, right? Okay, coming into the first of two bedrooms. Nice big bay window in this room, gets good natural light. This bedroom faces out onto Jones Street. The building is the corner building at Bush and Jones. There is the radiator, so the rent does include steam heat. Here's the closet for this bedroom. And I would say in this room you could comfortably fit a king or a queen. I think a queen would be a little better. All right, bedroom number two. Humongous bedroom. Definitely could do a king size bed in here. No problem. This piece of furniture is going away. That's the last thing that the current tenants are moving out. So this room does not have a closet, but the first closet I showed you in the foyer would be good to dedicate to this particular room, right? Okay, and so this room also has a radiator. And windows on both sides, so again, great natural light in this room. That bedroom could use that closet there. All right, coming into our living room, we have a beautiful, spacious living room. Another radiator here in this room. Big bay window looking out onto Jones. Some beautiful built-ins. The fireplace is decorative only. It is not functional. Very pretty to look at, but does not work. Okay. All right, and then coming into the kitchen, we have updated white kitchen cabinets, a granite countertop, beige tile floor, white appliances. We have a fridge and a gas stove. Okay, so that is a quick look at the apartment. If you are interested, please email me to arrange a virtual open house by Zoom where we can explore the apartment in more detail. And again, 999 Bush, apartment 401.